Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted emails in Gmail. If your emails were deleted accidentally, this method may help you get them back. So let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Now tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. Scroll all the way down and tap on Help and Feedback. This will open Gmail support options. Now in the search bar, type missing. From the results, tap on Gmail messages are missing. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now tap on Recover your emails. Make sure the correct Gmail account is selected. Then tap on Continue at the bottom. Gmail will now try to recover your deleted emails. Also, recovery results can vary from account to account. Sometimes Gmail may recover the deleted emails for you. But in some cases, it may show a message saying that the emails are permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. So this depends on Gmail's recovery system and how long ago the emails were deleted. So this is how you can recover deleted emails in Gmail. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.